Hi friends, today we are going to talk about a subject that really fascinates a lot of people. I can't remember how many times I have been asked to talk about spirit guides. So, who are spirit guides? And do they really help us? In fact, are they helping you right now, even though you may not be aware of it? So, spirit guides are non-physical energy beings. They can be your ancestors, they can be angels, they can be those who have lived for many lifetimes and have evolved to such a high level that now they can help others on earth. Spirit guides can also be animals. Animal guides are very, very common for a large number of us. So, what do these guides do? Well, there are some guides that teach. They are called the teachers. The teachers will be those who will come to you in those times in your life when you are extremely confused, when you need a great deal of clarity in order to make a vital or a crucial decision. They also come to you at times when you are undertaking a deep course of learning. Then there are protectors who may not be with you for an extended length of time. They may come to you only for a few short minutes, but their energies are potent. They are there to ensure that no harm comes to you, that in the best way possible, you are kept away from all kind of harm. Then there are those who are ancestral guides. They are those who take on a soul duty to help their families, to help those who shall be born into their families, to lead them on a journey that is in alignment with their soul blueprint. Basically, spirit guides are quiet watchers. They know what your soul blueprint is. And if there is anything that you are doing or any harm coming to you that is going to take you way off your soul blueprint, then they shall step in and ensure that your alignment with your soul blueprint is not completely scattered. Unlike angels, spirit guides are very personal. Angels are universal. They help everyone in exactly the same way. Spirit guides are very personal. They are specifically assigned to you depending upon the needs of your soul, depending upon the lessons you have to learn, depending upon the karmic templates you have come to earth to dissolve. Spirit guides change from time to time. The spirit guides you have today may not be the same spirit guides you may have 2 years down the line, because your needs 2 years down the line might have completely changed. You know, it is an absolute myth that you need to have psychic ability in order to connect to your spirit guides. This is such a completely made up myth. You do not need to have psychic ability in order to connect to your spirit guides. Not at all. Of course, it doesn't need to be said that if you have some kind of psychic ability, it will make the connection process a little bit easier for you. But is it a prerequisite? Not at all. What is a prerequisite is your 100% intention to connect with your spirit guide. That is something that you cannot move on without. If you have 100% intention that you choose to now begin the process of connecting with your spirit guide, I can assure you that your spirit guides will find a way to reach you. You may suddenly hear of course or a class that is teaching about how to connect with your spirit guides. You may chance upon a book that gives you this information. You may have a conversation with someone who might be a complete stranger to you, but which gives you valuable information. If your intention is pure and complete, the spirit guide shall reach out to you and shall open that door. And I hope you do take this further, because for me, my connection with my master Jade Fire has been one of the most enriching and the most precious things that I have ever experienced in my life. And I hope you get that opportunity as well. Do continue with your effort and your interest. Your spirit guide is waiting to connect with you, is waiting to communicate with you.